Hey, good afternoon. I'm Rich Regal with Sea Ray Boats, coming to you today from the Miami International Boat Show. Super excited today to talk to you about the all-new Sea Ray SLX-R 400e. Let me tell you a little bit about it. First, let's talk about what R means. I'm going to point out on the back of this boat these absolutely gorgeous triple 450 horsepower race engines from Mercury. That really wakes this boat up. This boat in its stock formation is about a 55 mile an hour boat. When we bolt on the triple 450R race engines, that's going to take this boat to over 65 miles an hour. It's an absolute rocket ship. But the R package comes with much more than just really cool race engines. It also comes with a one-of-a-kind interior and exterior finish. As you can see, it's painted with our shadow metallic gray, so that's a true paint. We've also painted the hardtop and the leg supports. We even went as far as painting the 4G radar, the Glomex TV antenna, and topped it off with a black VHF antenna. No attention to detail was left. But you can also see the custom interior. So that's our stone interior with red piping that really ties the rest of the boat together. So when you look at how gorgeous this boat is, triple 450 horsepower race engines, custom paint on the hardtop and the hull, and a custom interior, you're really going to stand out in the crowd. But what you don't see, and even better yet, what you won't hear, is the hum of a generator on this boat. We've replaced the generator with the Fathom e-Power management system. What the e-Power management system is a 4-pack of lithium-ion marinized batteries that replaces that genset. So technology's cool if technology has a benefit. And the biggest benefit for this is there's no hum, no buzz, no vibration or harshness with a generator while you're spending the day on the water. You can run every function on this boat for up to 6 hours without ever having any auxiliary power. Once your power starts to drop, simply fire up your engines. It'll charge off the alternators of the 450 horsepower Mercury race engines or plug it into shore power, and in 5 to 6 hours, you're back to a full charge. We debuted this boat at CES in Las Vegas, and it was a showstopper because of how cool it is from a technology perspective. But the boat here at Miami, out into the boating community, a 65 mile an hour luxury day boat, it is an absolute home run.